neglected. Then why BC, 587 BCs are neglected? They are not getting. Now we also, being a video, you cannot distribute fund. There are so many committees are there. One is saying we are committee, other one coming, you are in pressure, whom to listen. So we want that immediately village council election should be held. Already our MLA, honorable MLA, District of the Burma, and they have already another 5 in double bench. So as soon as it comes, it will be held. Now we want to tell that our wages, earners are in a direct necessity of food, clothing and shelter. This is the basic. Now it is education, health also. Now 5 things. Earlier only 3. Now it is 5. So our people should get 200 days mandate generously in a year as promised by the government. Moreover, the rate of the wages should be increased to 340 instead of hard demand. Then water, we know Jal Jeevan Mission, Atal Bajpayee, this thing, Atal Jeevan, Jal Jeevan Mission, but nothing is done, only pipeline is there. No water is coming. In my village also it is there. We want that this water should be available in the all villages through pipe, drinking water. So it is a problem. This year drought. We want cultivators and juniors should be given free ration for 3 months. Because due to drought, they are not getting any money to purchase. Purchasing power is not there. And nowadays, what happened? The junior, they are very hurtable. We heard somewhere even salt from ration also they have to purchase in from market, because salt also being smuggled. Higher rate they have to pay. We have seen so many newspaper report. I don't know actually. So these things should be available, and now only 5 kg rice is available for the BPL 3. Now it should be increased. Double ration should be given till new junior cultivation and this kharif ration is there. There should be given free ration for 3 months. And this thing also we have seen this under this Durga block. There is no fire service. There is no hospital. Immediately fire service, police station and hospital. These 3 things, basic minimum requirement for security, safety, security, health and hazard. Hazard is fire, health is this hospital, safety is police. These 3 things will be set up immediately. It will be good for you also to solve up to 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Nowadays, smuggling, you know, due to drugs, our young generation is spoiling. বাচ্চারা নষ্ট হয়ে যাচ্ছে, স্কুলে যাচ্ছে না, মা বাবাকে মারছে, মা বাবাকে টাকা চুরি করে নিচ্ছে অথবা রাবার বিক্রি করেছে, বাড়ি ঘরে জিনিস তো রাখছে না, সন্ধ্যা অলঙ্কা সাইকেল বাইক চুরি করে দিয়েছে। টু প্রিভেন্ট দিস ড্রাগস স্মাগলিং ইফ পুলিশ স্টেশন ইজ এ মাস্ট। We will sanction road concern to the government, Professor Badalino, downtown area, very bad condition. Now from here also you block to the government, you can deep new water. So this one is to do it properly. This is your jurisdiction. Thereby you block. That also we have said, now we are demanding that one. Anything else our honorable again from the government will discuss. Thank you. I think I have covered all the things. You write down. Don't put this extension of gas.
Thank you.
No, still there are so many points are not there. Extension we have to guide the video. I told that there also. This is not your duty. You are not Swatandra. Hearing and doing this. You want to become video extension officer? So now only you become, you change your dreams. Not like this. No combine you here. Have you seen DM's order? You learn from him.
ওই এলাকার তার নাম কিছু নাই এবং তার রেশন সহ নাই। 10 বছর আগে বিয়ে হইল, সমস্ত